In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Madden NFL login verification code not working. Let's get started. If your login verification code is not working, the very first thing is to check time sensitivity. These codes expire quickly, so make sure you are entering the latest code and not an older one from your email or SMS. If needed, tap recent code and use the newest one immediately. Double check your email inbox or messages carefully. Sometimes the code might land in the spam or junk folder, especially for email verification. Also make sure you are checking the correct email link to your EA account. Next, restart the EA app on your device. Close the app completely, reopen it, and try logging in again. This refreshes the login session and can fix temporary glitches. If the problem continues, check your internet connection, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restart your router if you are on PC. A weak connection can delay or block verification requests. You should also make sure your device date and time are set to automatic. Incorrect time settings can cause verification codes to fail or appear invalid. If you are still stuck, you can try logging in through a web browser. For that, launch your preferred browser. Head over to the official website of EA. Click on the option Sign In, provide your credentials. This should work. You can also reset your password, which sometimes resets the verification system as well. And finally, if none of these steps work, it could be a temporary server issue on EA side. So waiting a bit and trying again later usually resolves it. And that's it. These steps should help you fix the Madden NFL verification code not working issue. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.